With AI tutors becoming smarter every day, would classrooms eventually be run by artificial intelligence? Let's find out. Will AI replace teachers? It might replace some parts of teaching, but probably not teachers. Here's why. Imagine every student had a personal AI tutor, available 24 hours a day. It never gets tired. It explains concepts in different ways. It adapts to your learning style, and it answers questions instantly. That's something no human teacher can do for 30 students at once. But teaching isn't just delivering information. Great teachers do much more. They inspire curiosity, build confidence. Notice when a student is struggling, encourage teamwork, and help shape character. AI can't replace those human connections. Instead, the classroom may completely change. Teachers could spend less time lecturing and more time mentoring, coaching, and guiding students individually. AI becomes the assistant, not the replacement. So, the future of education may not be AI versus teachers. It may be AI and teachers working together to give every student a more personalized education. Because the best technology doesn't replace great teachers, it helps them become even better.